Good morning, students. We are studying the resistors, electronics component, paper 1, 4th chapter, electronics components. In this electronics components, in previous lecture we have studied resistors. What is resistor? Say me, what is resistor? Resistor is to oppose the flow of the current, or it is opposition to the flow of current. I have explained you resistors is of two types, fixed resistors and variable resistor. See this resistor, fixed resistor, this is variable resistor. In fixed resistor in fixed resistors there is three types of resistors. First is carbon type, second is wire wound type, फर्स्ट इज कार्बन फिक्स रजिस्टर में कार्बन टाइप, सेकंड वायर वाउंड टाइप, थर्ड इज मेटल फिल्म टाइप. इन कार्बन टाइप there is two types in carbon type. There is two types, carbon composition type 1, second is carbon film type. In previous lecture we have studied this fixed resistor carbon type, in which we have studied carbon composition type. In this carbon composition type we have studied the color code on this carbon composition resistor. On that carbon composition type resistor there is color coding is there. What is this? For which purpose this color coding used? This color coding is for the value of resistor. What is the value of this? 100 kilo, this is 1k, this is 10 kilo ohm. ये वैल्यू उससे पता चलती है कलर कोडिंग से. वो मैंने आपको पिछले लेक्चर में स्टडी, वो अच्छी तरह स्टडी कर लो, वो आपको इंजीनियरिंग में भी काम आएगा आगे, इसीलिए वो स्टडी कर लो, अच्छी तरह से याद कर लो. और वो एग्जाम में भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, प्रैक्टिकल में भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, इसलिए उसको याद कर लो अच्छी तरह से. सही. नाउ वी विल सी सेकंड कार्बन फिल्म टाइप. कार्बन फिल्म टाइप रजिस्टर. इन दिस कार्बन फिल्म टाइप रजिस्टर क्या रहता है ये देखेंगे अपन. दिस इज अनदर वैरायटी ऑफ कार्बन रजिस्टर in which a thin film of carbon is deposited on an insulating material like ceramic rod. During the deposition of the film, the value of insulating material like ceramic rod पे वो कार्बन डिपॉजिटेड किया रहता है. During the deposition of the film, the value of the resistance is adjusted by controlling groove length and width of carbon film ribbon. Here you can see side caps are fitted on both sides. The tin copper wire is welded to the end cap. Typical range of this resistor is 10 ohm to 10 mega ohm. Power rating is up to 2 watt and tolerance is 0 plus or minus 1% to plus or minus 5% tolerance. Hence, they are called as precision type resistors. Another specialty of this resistor is low cost and they are low noise than carbon composition. Okay. Now we will see the third, wire wound type resistor. Second, wire wound type resistor. What is this wire wound type resistor? In this wire wound type resistor, wire wound resistor is used where very high current is required, as well as very high current is required. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा करंट रिक्वायर होती है उस सर्किट में इसका यूज होता है. As well as where stable and accurate value of resistors is required, and where stable and accurate value of resistors is required वहाँ पे उसका यूज होता है. A wire wound resistor is manufactured by wrapping wrapping a length of special register wire. Special registers like what is nichrome or manganese around an insulating core of ceramic. The end of the wire is attached to the metal contacts. ये देखो यहाँ पे रेजिस्टिव वायर वाउंड की है, उस पे इनेमल चढ़ा हुआ है और ये दोनों को ये कैप है और यहाँ पे ये टर्मिनल दिखाया हुआ है, दो टर्मिनल्स हैं, ठीक है। The end of the wire attached to the metal contacts which are inserted in core. After wire is wound, the whole structure is coated with enamel coating, powered glass, and then heated to produce coating. This is known as vitreous enamel coating. It is required to protect the resistors and to dissipate the heat. Okay. Typical values are available in fraction of ohm to 100 kilo ohm. Power rating is 5 watt to 200 watt. इसकी पावर रेटिंग ज़्यादा है, 5 watt to 200 watt तक है इसकी पावर रेटिंग. The drawback of the resistor is big size. Higher value are not possible due to its size. उसकी साइज की वजह से वो हाई वैल्यू पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकती उससे. What is speciality of this resistor? Big in size. It is big in size. This is speciality. And second speciality, more power handling capacity in this resistor. Third speciality, color code system is not used due to its big size. यहाँ पे color code system नहीं यूज करनी है वायर वाउंड रजिस्टर में, वहाँ पे नहीं रहती है. Now range, fraction of ohm to 100 kilo ohm. Power rating is 5 to 200. I told you. Now we will study the third type, metal film type. This is third, metal film type resistor. What is this metal film type resistor? These resistors are used for accurate value, precision type value, because its tolerance is less than 0 plus or minus 0.5%. 0.5% तक उसका टॉलरेंस रहता है. इसके लिए उसको एक्यूरेट वैल्यू जहाँ पे चाहिए वहाँ पे यूज होगा. These resistors are manufactured in the similar way to that of carbon film type resistor. Metal film of the metal oxide or metal alloy is coated on ceramic rod. There are different types of metal film like thin film, thin film layer is thin in this thin film. Second is thick film layer is thick in this thick film. What is specialty of this resistor? They having low noise, good stability, and tolerance is less than 0.5%. What is range of this resistor? 10 ohm to 1 mega ohm तक उसकी रेंज होती है. Now we will see the variable resistor. Okay. Second we will see variable resistor.